Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Zulkarnain Zakaria, currently studying degree in Mechatronics Engineering at University Islam Malaysia. So I am here to tell my experience throughout my internship with Visinergy Sdn Bhd for approximately 3 months under the supervision of Mr. Umar. First of all, Visinergy Sdn Bhd is one of the subsidiaries of its parent company, VC, Virtual Instrument and System Innovations. So what VC does, VC is a company that provides system integration and IoT service solution according to its clients' requirements. And I was assigned to the system integration department for these 3 months throughout my internships. Sure, there's a lot of things that I learned in Visinergy. And for my first task, I was given a task to design a mechanical hardware product using the SolidWorks software. And for designing, we have several stages before we finalize the design. We go from the planning stage, visual ideation, modeling, material selection, and lastly, there's finalization and submission to the clients. And in design, we need to list out all the specifications of material, all the parts, and all the dimension details. It was a very important skill for engineer in this era to have this skill and to make their products understandable through the design. Okay, next, as Visinergy is using LabVIEW for its software development and system integrations, I was given 3 exercises to familiarize myself with the accompaniment programming method. The task is to create and program for LED sequence blinking, virtual ATM machine, and virtual ticket machines. At first, it is sure very challenging since it's very new for me, but after a find several reference and to refer some of the stuff there, I managed to complete all the tasks given in time. And for the last task that I was given for LabVIEW, I was given a task to create a module for Anton-Pa device, which read and write the reading of the device into the system in the LabVIEW. For this last task, it involved the communication between device and system. And furthermore, I was also given an opportunity to get involved in a real industrial project. In this project, my main task is to handle the hardware management. The project need me to decide the placement of the server rack and plan the route for the cable. In the server rack, I need to decide the arrangement of the items and optimize the space in the server rack. For this project, I had a chance to grab an on-site experience. So the main part of the project is the communication between the clients and the server using the OPC-UA. OPC-UA is the Open Platform Communications. UA means for Unified Architecture. OPC have two different types, data access and unified architecture. For this project, we are using the unified architecture part. Okay, this project has 9 plants, which will have it role as a clients, and all of these 9 plants will send their data to one single server, and from the server we can read we can read and observe the status of all of the plants from from the server. And lastly, I was very grateful to have my internship here, and all the staff were very supportive and helpful, and I very recommend it Visinergy for internship. Good place to learn indeed. And my last word is thank you and all the best for VC.